Welcome, SmythOS agent creators, to our final video in this incredible module through the world of SmythOS and API integration. We've covered a lot of ground, and now we are going to recap the amazing skills you've acquired. Let's take a moment to reflect on how far you've come and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. First, let's recap the key topics we explored. We kicked off by diving into the power of integrating components in SmythOS. Remember how we saw these components bridge the gap between SmythOS and external data sources. This foundation set the stage for everything that followed. We then ventured into the world of API calls, learning how to make requests and, crucially, how to handle errors. This skill is invaluable in creating robust, reliable applications. Our journey took an exciting turn when we introduced Postman. We saw how this powerful tool integrates with SmythOS, streamlining our API testing process and helping us refine our calls. We then took a giant leap forward, learning how to transform a simple API call into a powerful deployed endpoint. This showcased the true power of SmythOS in rapidly bringing ideas to life. Finally, we tackled a real-world challenge by integrating with Google API. We not only learned about OAuth authentication, but also created a custom file indexing solution, demonstrating how SmythOS can be used to solve complex problems. Throughout this module, we've seen SmythOS in action, from basic API calls to complex integrations. We've learned how to handle errors, test our endpoints, and even create custom solutions when pre-built components didn't really fit our needs. But remember, this is just the beginning. The skills you acquired here are your springboard into a world of possibilities. Whether you are building a simple chatbot or a complex data analysis tool, the principles we've covered will serve as your foundation. As you continue your SmythOS journey, remember to always start with the basics. Understand your API requirements before diving in. Test, test, and test again. Tools like Postman are your best friends. Don't be afraid to create custom solutions. Sometimes that's where the real magic happens. Keep learning. The world of API is ever evolving, and SmythOS is your perfect companion for this journey. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure into the world of SmythOS and API integration. The skills you've gained here are your toolkit for innovation. Now it's time for you to go out there and build amazing things. Remember, with SmythOS, the only limit is your imagination. Until the next module, keep coding, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with SmythOS.